Next up, at number 10, we have the Ryobi P73818V1 Plus Lithium-Ion High-Volume Power Inflator/Battery-Powered Deflator for mattresses and recreational inflatables, renewed and ready to go. This versatile tool is perfect for both inflating and deflating your air mattresses, rafts, and other inflatables, thanks to the convenient nozzle located on top of the P738. Whether you're setting up camp or packing up after a fun day at the lake, this inflator makes the job quick and easy. Need to clean up your workspace? No problem! The Ryobi P738 also comes with a blowing attachment stored right on the base of the tool. It's ideal for blowing away dust or cleaning up drywall debris, keeping your area neat and tidy with minimal effort. Comfort and control are key with the Ryobi P738. The pistol grip features a rubber overmold, ensuring a secure hold even in slippery conditions. This thoughtful design detail means you can handle the tool with confidence, no matter the task. For those longer inflating jobs, the Ryobi P738 has a handy locking trigger. Simply press on the locking button, and the air will flow without you needing to hold down the trigger, saving you energy and making your task even more convenient. The Ryobi P73818V1 Plus High-Volume Power Inflator/Battery-Powered Deflator, your go-to tool for inflating, deflating, and even blowing away dust. Versatile, powerful, and designed for your convenience. At number 9, we have the Jackery Explorer 880 Portable Power Station, a must-have for home backup, emergencies, and outdoor camping. This renewed powerhouse offers an impressive 880 Wh capacity with 1000 W continuous output and a 2000 W peak, ensuring you have reliable power in any situation. The Explorer 880 is perfect for home DIY enthusiasts, capable of supplying electricity to high-power devices like electric hammers, small air compressors, circular saws, angle grinders, and drills. No need to worry about running out of juice while tackling your projects. Efficiency is key with the built-in MPPT controller, which constantly monitors your solar panel's voltage and current output. This advanced technology boosts solar recharging efficiency by up to 23%, making the most of your renewable energy sources. You have 3 versatile options for recharging the Explorer 880. Use solar panels, with 2 panels taking about 6.5 hours and 1 panel around 10 hours. Plug it into an AC outlet for a full recharge in 6.5 hours, or use a car outlet for a 12.5-hour recharge. Every refurbished Jackery Explorer 880 goes through a rigorous process, including full functional testing, and comes with a 6-month warranty for your peace of mind. Please note, for power saving, the Explorer 880 will automatically turn off after 12 hours if it's drawing under 10 W of power. The Jackery Explorer 880 Portable Power Station, reliable, efficient, and perfect for your power needs, wherever you are. At number 8, we have the Dremel MM35 DRRT Variable Speed Corded Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, renewed and ready to tackle the toughest jobs. Powered by a robust 3.5-amp motor, the Dremel MM35 is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Its versatility makes it indispensable for a wide range of applications, including cutting, sanding, grinding, scraping, and even removing grout and rust. One of the standout features of this tool is its wrench-free accessory change system. This convenient mechanism allows for quick accessory swaps, enabling you to switch from cutting to sanding to grout removal in seconds. The variable speed dial offers a range of 10,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, giving you the precise control needed for various materials and applications. Whether you're working on delicate surfaces or tougher materials, the Dremel MM35 adapts to your needs. Comfort is also a priority with the Dremel MM35, featuring an ergonomic soft grip that provides extended comfort, perfect for those long days on the job. The Dremel MM35 DRRT Multi-Tool Kit, powerful, versatile, and designed for your convenience and comfort. At number 8, we have the Dremel MM35 DRRT Variable Speed Corded Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, renewed and ready to tackle the toughest jobs. Powered by a robust 3.5-amp motor, the Dremel MM35 is designed to handle the most demanding tasks with ease. Its versatility makes it indispensable for a wide range of applications, including cutting, sanding, grinding, scraping, and even removing grout and rust. One of the standout features of this tool is its wrench-free accessory change system. This convenient mechanism allows for quick accessory swaps, enabling you to switch from cutting to sanding to grout removal in seconds. The variable speed dial offers a range of 10,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute, giving you the precise control needed for various materials and applications. Whether you're working on delicate surfaces or tougher materials, the Dremel MM35 adapts to your needs. Comfort is also a priority with the Dremel MM35, featuring an ergonomic soft grip that provides extended comfort, perfect for those long days on the job. The Dremel MM35 DRRT Multi-Tool Kit, powerful, versatile, and designed for your convenience and comfort. At number 7, we have the Hisense Portable Air Conditioner, a compact and efficient solution for cooling smaller rooms up to 250 square feet. With a SACC capacity of 6,000 BTU, this unit is perfect for spaces like apartments, bedrooms, and offices. It offers 3 modes: cool, dehumidify, and fan, allowing you to customize your comfort and keep your environment just right. Included with the unit is a remote control, giving you effortless control over your AC settings from anywhere in the room. Adjust the temperature, switch modes, and set the timer with ease. The Hisense Portable Air Conditioner features a low-noise cooling system, ensuring a peaceful environment for working, relaxing, or sleeping without any disturbance. Its compact size makes it easy to place in any room without taking up too much space, and the innovative drain-free design means hassle-free maintenance, eliminating the need for manual water removal. Installation is a breeze with the Snap Assembly Window Kit. Set up your AC unit in minutes without the need for professional help, and enjoy cool comfort right away. The Hisense Portable Air Conditioner, efficient, quiet, and easy to use, perfect for keeping your small space cool and comfortable. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations. At number 5, we have the DeLonghi PACE 390 UVCare 6ALWH Portable Air Conditioner, a versatile unit that combines cooling, dehumidifying, fan functions, and UV CareLight technology for cleaner, cooler air. This powerful unit delivers 14,000 BTU ASHRAE/8,000 BTU SACC cooling capacity, making it perfect for extra-large rooms where cooling is needed most. The DeLonghi PACE 390 UVCare 6ALWH goes beyond cooling by protecting your family with UVC technology. It's 99.5% effective against H1N1, 99.9% against HCoV229E, 99.9% effective against H3N2, and 99.9% against infectious bronchitis, ensuring a healthier environment while keeping you cool. Experience a quieter cool with up to 50% noise reduction in max speed cooling mode, thanks to its specially engineered structure that lowers noise levels to an ambient background sound. The washable filter keeps the air clean by screening out impurities and is simple to clean under the faucet, ensuring you breathe cleaner air. Take advantage of the programmable timer and motorized airflow for personalized comfort and energy savings. Set the timer to turn the unit on or off according to your schedule, and the motorized louver ensures even cooling throughout the room. Highly portable and easy to install, this unit can be moved from room to room, allowing you to cool only the space you're in and save energy. Customize your comfort with 3-in-1 functions, directional airflow capabilities, and intuitive controls, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable all day long. The DeLonghi PACE 390 UVCare 6ALWH Portable Air Conditioner, for cleaner, quieter, and more efficient cooling. At number 4, we have the Hisense 7000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a versatile and efficient solution for cooling, dehumidifying, and air circulation. This unit offers 3 modes: cooling, fan, and dehumidifier, providing you with versatile comfort for any situation. With a 7,000 BTU capacity, it effectively cools rooms up to 300 square feet, making it ideal for bedrooms, offices, and small living spaces. One of the standout features is its innovative drain-free design, which ensures continuous performance without the need for manual water removal. Enjoy hassle-free operation and uninterrupted cooling. The Hisense 7000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner operates quietly at just 49 dB, creating a peaceful environment for work, relaxation, or sleep without disturbance. Installation is a breeze with the Snap Assembly Window Kit. Set up your AC unit in minutes without the need for professional help, and start enjoying cool comfort right away. For added convenience, the unit includes a remote control, allowing you to adjust settings from anywhere in the room. Plus, with the Connect Life app, you can control your AC unit from your mobile phone. Turn it on or off, change modes, and adjust the temperature remotely for ultimate flexibility. Maintaining your air conditioner is easy with the washable and removable filter. Keep your unit running efficiently and ensure good air quality by simply cleaning the filter as needed. The Hisense 7000 BTU portable air conditioner, efficient, quiet, and easy to use, perfect for keeping your space cool and comfortable. At number 3, we have the Honeywell Home Ryobi 9585WF Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat, a perfect blend of technology and style to enhance your home comfort. Personalize your thermostat to fit your decor with the Wi-Fi Smart Color programmable feature. Comfort truly comes in your color, making it a seamless addition to any room. This thermostat is ENERGY STAR certified, helping you save energy and track your heating and cooling with monthly energy reports. Get personalized tips on reducing energy use, making your home more efficient and eco-friendly. The bright, easy-to-read touchscreen ensures simple operation, making it intuitive for everyone in the household to use. With flexible programming options, you can set your schedule or align with your utility company's peak rate pricing. It's your schedule, your way. Before purchasing, check if this thermostat is compatible with your home and determine if a C-wire power adapter is needed, as it's required for operation. Compatible with forced air systems, gas, oil, or electric, hot water and steam, and heat pumps with electric backup, this thermostat offers versatility. However, it does not work with electric baseboard heat, 120-240V, and heating-only oil furnace systems unless a C-wire is present. The Honeywell Home Ryobi 9585WF Wi-Fi Smart Color Thermostat, smart, stylish, and designed for personalized comfort and energy efficiency. At number 2, we have the SACC UV 580 Performance UltraLight Corded Stick Vacuum, a powerful cleaning solution for your home. Featuring DuoClean technology, this vacuum boasts a dual brush roll system designed to deep clean carpets and directly engage floors for a polished look. Say goodbye to hair wrap with the self-cleaning brush roll, perfect for powerful pet hair pickup on floors, carpets, and above-floor areas like stairs and furniture. Despite its powerful suction, this ultra-lightweight vacuum weighs less than 3 pounds, making it easy to handle and maneuver. The stick vacuum easily transforms into a lightweight, portable handheld vacuum, ideal for cleaning furniture, stairs, and other above-floor areas. Advanced swivel steering allows you to navigate tight spaces, corners, and around furniture with ease. Illuminate hidden debris and dust with the powerful LED headlights, ensuring no spot is missed. The easy empty removable dust cup allows for quick and hassle-free debris disposal, and it's washable for added convenience. Included with the SACC UV 580 stick vacuum are a duster crevice tool and an upholstery tool, giving you everything you need for a thorough clean. The SACC UV 580 Performance UltraLight Corded Stick Vacuum, versatile, lightweight, and perfect for pet owners and anyone looking for powerful, efficient cleaning. And now, at number 1, we have the Hisense Smart SACC 8000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner with Heat Pump, a versatile and efficient solution for year-round comfort. This unit features a dual hose system that cools down more efficiently by balancing air pressure, providing faster and more effective cooling. Enjoy flexible usage with 4 different modes: cool, heat, fan, and dehumidifier. Whether you need to cool down in the summer, heat up in the winter, improve air circulation, or remove excess moisture, this air conditioner has you covered. The simple and intuitive control panel, along with the included remote control, makes it easy to adjust settings, switch modes, and set timers without any hassle. Take control from anywhere with the Connect Life app on your mobile phone. Turn the unit on or off, change modes, and adjust the temperature remotely for ultimate convenience and flexibility. Installation is a breeze with the Snap Assembly Window Kit. Set up your AC unit in minutes without the need for professional help, and start enjoying cool or warm comfort right away. Maintaining your unit is simple with the washable and removable filter. Ensure your AC operates efficiently and maintains good air quality by easily removing, washing, and replacing the filter as needed. Experience hassle-free operation with the innovative drain-free design. The included accessory hose eliminates the need to manually remove water, ensuring continuous performance without interruptions. The Hisense Smart SACC 8000 BTU Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner with Heat Pump, your ultimate solution for efficient, year-round comfort and convenience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations.